Tell me the weight of all these years that smooth green band has seen.
Ever wonder how creators make videos so fast? Yep, it is this AI right here. These free AI tools just save me hours. Let me show you how it works.
Come on, it's time to go. I booked the table for 8 and I'm not sure exactly where the restaurant is.
Hey, Allie, relax. This isn't work, this is a night out.
All you need to do is upload your file, click generate and boom, done in seconds. China never sleep on AI tool. China just drop a new AI tool to counter other AI tools like Chatgpt, Google V3, Minimax AI and other AI tool out there. Today I'm going to show you the new Chinese AI tool that is dropped and it's completely free. Well, other AI tools charge you a few dollars for every single month for their AI tool. This tool gives you the same feature for $0. It is called Hunyuan A13B and it is just come out and faster than most paid AI modules. It is 3 times smarter than its size and you can use it your own computer right now. Hunyuan A13B features a hybrid architecture with dynamic, fast and slow reasoning, excels at long text tab and has advanced generic tool calling capabilities for existing complex tasks with natural language. This tool has something I have never seen before. The tool has 2 thinking modules, faster module and slow module. When you need quick answer, it thinks fast. When you need deep reasoning, it switches to slow mode automatically. It's like having 2 AI systems in one. That is, the tool has 80 billion total parameters, but only use 13 billion, delivering powerful performance. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to access this tool and how to use it. The best part, I'll show you how to generate real-time images, turn any image to 3D object with texture, how to create talking AI video like Google V3, and how to turn any text to video and any image to video for free. It is completely open source, no subscription required. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video because you are going to benefit one or more things from this all-in-one open source AI tool. Alright, before we dive in, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell if you haven't yet, so you never miss an update.